What do you see in this image? In the old city of Abydos, Egypt, archaeologists discovered a very unusual hieroglyphs in the temple of Seti. Engraved into the stone beam were figures of helicopter, tank, plane, and submarine. These were made during the ancient times. How is this possible? Did someone on their time foreseen the future? Researchers said it's just a mixed-up of palimpsest and some inscriptions. They claimed it was ray-carved during Ramesses' dynasty. Over time, some plaster attached to it might erode away, leaving a messed-up overlapped inscriptions. They also said this is just an example of pareidolia, our tendency to perceive a pattern or things that isn't actually there, like an optical illusion. It makes sense, isn't it? However, it's only their theory. There are things left unclear. Why the mixed-up of figures were so accurate and clean. Also, is it just a coincidence, having not one, but 4 modern vehicles in one single block of stone? What's more interesting is, when you looked at the left side of the figured vehicles, you'll see a wasp, a winged insect, and beside it is some kind of a fish or creature living underwater. It appears that they are connected in some way. And what a coincidence that almost all the figures were in the right place. Now, that's something to think about.